Hey guys, today I will show you how to reset Yahoo password without email and phone number. So if you've lost access to both your email recovery options and phone number, resetting your Yahoo password is still possible, but it takes a few extra steps. First, visit the Yahoo sign in helper page. Navigate to any browser, go to the search bar and type in login.yahoo.com/forgot. Hit enter and you will see this page. Now, enter your Yahoo email address and click continue to begin the recovery process. After you do that, Yahoo will first suggest your recovery email or phone. If you no longer have access, you'll have to click on the try another way button that you will see on that page. Or I don't have access to this button until you exhaust all automated options. Now, some older accounts may offer security questions as backup. Answer them correctly to prove your identity. If this option doesn't appear, proceed to the next step. If your Yahoo account is linked to another account like Gmail or Outlook, you might get an option to verify through it. Approve the request from your LinkedIn account if this option appears. When no standard recovery methods work, Yahoo may offer you a form to submit an account recovery request. Provide as much accurate information as possible. Old passwords, contacts, or frequently used folders help verify ownership. Yahoo account recovery team will review your details. If they can confirm your identity, they will send you a link to reset your password through an alternate method, like a new recovery email. And once you regain access, immediately set a strong new password and update your recovery email and phone number to avoid issues in the future. So that's how you set Yahoo password without email or phone number in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.